Good morning guys, welcome back to Team DTV and welcome to the Philippine International Motor Show 2024. Nandito tayo ngayon sa booth ng Sentro. Samahan nyo kami, silipin natin yung kanilang latest truck body products. Tara! Okay guys, umpisahan natin, silipin natin tong C-Van with tail lift. Ayan, meron siyang tail lift. Few weeks ago, ni-review natin tong Isuzu Travis, di ba, kung naalala ninyo. So, etong Sentro C-Van with Cadro tail lift, naka-install ngayon sa Isuzu Travis. Tara, ikutan natin. Isa sa very interesting and magandang feature nitong aluminum van ng nagawa ng Sentro is that yung mga panels niya, isang piraso, isang buo. Okay? What do I mean by that? Etong buong wall na to, wala tong dugtong. Hindi nyo lang nakikita kasi merong sticker, pero kapag kinapa mo to, wala kang mafe-feel ditong dugtong. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Kapag one whole piece, meaning maganda ang integrity niya. Okay? Kasi kapag pinag-connect mo yan, meaning magkakaroon yung dugtong, kailangan mo i-seal para waterproof, di ba? And as we all know, since truck ito, nagkakarga to ng mabibigat na cargo, pag tumakbo yung sasakyan, magfe-flex yung chassis, magfe-flex yung body. So, yung mga dugtong-dugtong na yan, kapag meron kang ganung dugtong, magfe-flex din yon. And there is a tendency na humiwalay. Okay? So, yung sealant na nilagay mo dyan, yung adhesive or kung ano mang material ang ginagamit, yung chances na mag-flex and mag-break away, malaki. Kaya eto, ang ganda ng pagkakadesign nila, isang buong piraso, sigurado ang leak-proof. Now, pagdating naman dito, of course, kasi diba, it's a box. So, syempre, ito pala. Lapit ka dito. Ito pala, magandang example, walang sticker. Nakita nyo po, ayan, isang buong aluminum. Buo, walang dugtong. Okay, so, basically, ang mga dugtong lang niya, ang mga connections lang niya, yung dito sa sides, dito sa ito, and then sa taas, and then yung likod. So, yung mga dito lang sa corner, yan lang pinakang connections niya. And maganda yung structure, yung pagkakadesign ng mga connections and yung sealant na ginawa ni Sentro to make sure na walang water leak na papasok sa loob ng mga cargo mo. So, syempre, pagka nagkaroon ng water leak sa loob, na-damage yung cargo mo, liability yon. Responsibility mo yun dun sa kliyente mo. Okay, isa pang feature nitong Sentro C-Van, meron siyang lashing rail kung tawagin. Okay? Ito, may upper tsaka lower. Anong purpose ito? This is to secure your cargo. So, for example, ito nakita nyo, halimbawa yung cargo nyo, kaunti lang, gusto nyo ilagay dun sa dulo para hindi siya malikot pag tumakbo na yung truck. Hindi siya aalog-alog dito sa loob ng van. Ma-adjust nyo. Okay? So, as you can see, itong metal na to, natatanggal. Tapos itong pinapatungan niya, natatanggal. Very easy, magandang pagkakadesign, no? Very intuitive. Madaling tanggalin. Hindi tinuro sa akin ito ng Sentro. Ngayon ko lang ito pinakailaman. Alam ko na agad kung paano tanggalin at ikabit. Ayan. Napakadali. So, ayan, medyo malikot pero yung downward force matibay. So, meaning, pwede mo itong i-adjust. So, pwede mo itong ilagay dito sa baba. Okay? And then, ilipat mo to dito. And then, ito namang isa, pwede mo rin ilipat dito. So, kung gusto mong half lang ng van ang may laman na cargo at secured sila, hindi sila umaalog-alog patras, pwede mong gawin. So, another flexibility na pwede mong gawin dito sa lashing rail is that kung meron kang maliliit na cargo na hindi naman ganun kabigat, aside from pangharang siya, pwede mo rin gawin na dito mo na rin ipatong. Okay? So, again, the beauty of the flexibility nitong lashing rail, pwede mong i-adjust kung ano mang width ang gusto mo. And siguro, pwede ka pang kumuha ng marine plywood na matibay, mga 1 inch. Pwede mong lagyan ng flooring dito para marami ka pang may papatong ng mga small items. Very nice, di ba? Aside from that, meron pang cargo net. Yung cargo net naman is para, halimbawa, pagpapatong-patungin mo yung mga small boxes mo, gusto mo hindi sa malikot. Again, para secured. Yung cargo net na to, meron din rin siyang connector para dun sa lashing rail. So again, very flexible kung saan mo gusto ilagay, ang dami mong choices, ang dami mong options. Okay, so bakit binibigyan natin ng masyadong emphasis yung lashing rail, yung cargo net? Kasi it is important na bago tayo tumakbo, pagka ganitong business natin, kailangan yung cargo natin is well secured. Diba? Kahit nga, di ba, pag sumasakay tayo ng eroplano, ng barko, ino-organize nila yung pag-arrange ng mga cargo properly. Kasi once na tumakbo ka na, ayaw nating umaalog-alog yung cargo natin. Kailangan stable siya, as stable as the car. Kasi kapag mabibigat yung cargo mo, biglang natumbayan, nag-shift ng weight, affected ang driving dynamics mo. Pwede kang ma-aksidente. Okay? Kaya very important na sinisecure natin yung cargo bago tayo tumakbo. And it's very important na meron tayong mga itong tools built-in na pag bili mo ng van, nandyan na. Everything is there kung ano yung kailangan mo to secure your cargo. Isisingit ko lang to kasi habang pinaglalaroan ko, inaaral ko tong C-van, napansin ko, this is made of stainless material. Napansin ko lang how Centro pays attention to details. Kasi even itong mga lock na to, matibay eh. Alam mo yun, parang, look at that. Yan. Madali lang yung mga, yung pagkakadesign nila ng mga locks and all, madaling intindihin, madaling gamitin, and matibay. Ayun, di maalog-alog. Oh. Yan oh. Very precise. Alam mo yun, kasi ako, honestly, ako yung taong mitikuloso talaga eh. Ayan, makita mo yung pagkaka-install, naka-level, vertically, horizontally, pantay. Pag tinapat mo to dito, perfectly naka-shoot. Ayan, oh. Ang dali lang gamitin. Yun lang, siningit ko lang, natutuwa lang ako. Next, silipin naman natin itong Cadro tail lift. As you can see, yung length niya, oh, almost yung height na nung van. And then, yung overall width is the width of the van din. Okay? So, kung ano yung may papasok mo dun sa pinakang opening ng van is almost the same size na pwede mo rin ilagay dito. And take note, this lift has a maximum capacity of 700 kilograms. Malupit, di ba? Now, ang pinakamaganda pa sa kanya, yun nga, hydraulic siya and meron ka ng control dito. So, ayan, makita mo dito, up, tilt, and down. So, makokontrol mo siya. And aside from that, meron ka pang remote. Ito. Okay? Na madali lang isaksak. Meron siyang guide. Saksak mo lang dito. Ganyan. Secured na siya. So, makokontrol mo siya remotely. Ganyan. So, anong advantage pagka may ganito ka? Well, number one, obviously, makakatipid ka sa manpower. Diba? Kasi pag malalaki yung cargo mo, kailangan mo ng katulong. Pero pag meron kang ganito, kahit siguro yung driver mo, siya na rin yung pwede mag-unload. Diba? So, ipupush niya lang ng konti dito, makokontrol niya to pababa. Now, anong additional advantage na meron kang ganitong remote? Para at least, kasi dito pag pinipindot mo, sisilipin mo yung cargo mo. So kung meron kang ganito, nakikita mo as it happens. Nakita mo kung may tatamaan, may mababangga. And at the same time, safety na rin para sa operator. Kasi baka mamaya, merong di natin masabi, accident, ma-outbalance yung cargo, at least yung tao mo may distance. Okay? Nakalayo siya. Yung main feature talaga nitong tail lift is, faster loading and unloading. So, the tail lift can be operated by just one person at a faster rate. This reduces labor cost and increases efficiency. Nakatipid na ang kumpanya, hindi pa pagod si kuya. Diba? And then, of course, more delivery drops. Faster operations mean more deliveries in a day. Kung ang usual loading process nyo, sabihin natin, tumatagal ng 10 minutes, with the Cadro tail lift, magiging 5 minutes na lang. O, di ba, ang bilis? So, mas efficient, mas mabilis. And also, meron tong power pack system that provides sufficient power to the hydraulic system to ensure smooth, stable lifting and lowering of cargo, thus minimizing the risk of accidents. Aluminum platform, lightweight and corrosion resistant, reducing fuel consumption, reducing the stress on the hydraulic system, and increasing payload capacity. The best part, you'll have your Travis C-Van body with the tail lift ready in just 7 days. Wow! 7 days lang may install na nila to. Ganun kabilis. Okay guys, the second product that we have here at the Centro booth here at the PIMS 2024 is the L300 mini dump truck. This dump truck has a maximum payload capacity of 1 ton or 1,000 kilogram. And guess what? What's very interesting about this dump truck is that hindi lang to dump truck. Pwede rin tong maging passenger for a maximum of 16 people during emergencies. Tara, silipin nyo. Tara, tingnan nyo. meron siyang foldable bench. Nakikita ba? Okay. Foldable bench. Very perfect, very timely sa situation natin ngayon. Nandyan ngayon si Bagyong Christine. Sinalanta ang Albay, ang Bicol. Madaming nabaha, madaming kailangan ng rescue operations. Kung meron ka nito, LGU ka, kapitan ka, mayor ka, kung meron ka nito sa nasasakupan mo, double purpose, di ba? Napaka-flexible. During calamities, pwede mong gamitin for emergencies. 16 people, pwede mo isakay dito. And of course, ang pinaka-importanting mechanism kapag ganitong dump truck is that yung hydraulics mo dito sa ilalim. Okay? At hindi yan basta-basta. That tipping hoist is powered by Shinmaiwa. Okay? It's a Japanese technology developed and tested in Japan and manufactured using Japanese technology, process, and quality standards. Alam naman natin, paggawang Japan, siguradong high quality yan. Maaasahan. With optional seats on the dump box, it can serve as a vehicle or transporting both materials and passengers when needed. Perfect for construction sites, landscaping projects, farming, waste management, road maintenance, small-scale mining, and resort areas. Because of its compact size, it allows for easy navigation in tight spaces, ideal for barangay and narrow urban areas. Power pack system, it provides sufficient power to the hydraulic system to ensure smooth, stable hoisting and lowering, thus minimizing the risk of accidents. And guess what? Very quick ang turnaround pag nag-order kayo. You'll have your L300 Mini C-Dump body ready in just 15 days. Ganun kabilis. The third product that we have here is the new Suzuki Carry Resort Van Body with stainless roof rack. So if you are a resort owner, farm owner, meron kang malaking property, maganda to pang tour para sa mga guest mo. Okay? So this resort body has 3 rows, 4 packs, and I think this one 3 ang kasya dito. So meron kang stainless door, comfortable, spacious, maganda yung headroom. I'm 5'6", so 1, 2, 3, 4, I think very comfortable ang 4 dito. And I like na stainless yung mga ginamit nilang material kasi, we expect this to be, laging outdoor, nauulan na nabibilad. So, matibay yung mga materials na ginamit. And even the leather, meron din siyang, aside from the leather, covered pa siya ng plastic. And, yeah, ang ganda, very open. So, if you need to look around, perfect talaga pang tour sa mga resort, sa mga parks. Maganda. Hindi ko lang actually nausisan ng mabuti yung gawa ng sentro. Very detailed oriented sila and solid ang feeling ng mga yung pagkaka-construct ng mga bodies. Okay? And then pulido, malinis. Ayan. Nice. So habang nagtutur kayo sa park, sa resort, ganda ng views, ang ganda ng kwentuhan nyo, maluwag, you don't feel cramped, hindi masikip. Very nice, very comfortable. Stainless steel roof rack provides durable, rust-resistant cargo or baggage storage space on top of the vehicle. Luluwang ang passenger space nito. Luggage on the roof rack stays visible and secure. Roof rack is ideal for transporting outdoor gears like bicycle, kayaks, surfboards, or rooftop tents. Stainless protective ratings on the sides offer safety and support to prevent passengers from falling off the vehicle. Best part, you'll have your Suzuki Resort Body ready in just 30 days. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. For more information about Centro's truck body products, please visit their website, centromanufacturing.com. Okay, as always, drive safe. Bye.
If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are also on Facebook. Please like and follow our page.